Section the fringe from the corner of each brow into a triangle 1 inch deep. You will have a center parting front from back with a slight zigzag ending at the high point of the head. Take a diagonal forward parting from low crown to 1 inch behind the ear on either side. Combine your low crown sections into a high ponytail by smoothing out the sides and securing with an elastic. In the front sides, apply Style Sexy Hair Play Dirty. Take a horizontal subsection a 1/4 inch back. Divide horizontally into 2 to start a rope braid. You're going to be twisting each section to the outside and then you're going to cross them over towards the inside. You will continue to braid along the parietal ridge, adding hair to the outside piece till you can't add any more, and then go in and lightly expand by pinching and pulling along the rope twist. And you will repeat on the opposite side. Combine both braided sections together under the crown ponytail and secure with an elastic. With the remaining hair in the back profile, apply Style Sexy Hair Protect Me. Make sure you get it in through all the sections through the back, and that's going to be including your top 2 ponytails. Create about a 1/2 inch section at the nape, clip the remaining hair out of the way. With a 1 inch curling iron, you're going to create figure 6 alternating curls. Apply Big Sexy Hair Powder Play Light at the root and back comb your curls. Spray in Big Sexy Hair Volume Flex and separate your curls while layering on Big Sexy Hair Spray and Play Harder. You will continue this curl technique by curling the hair with alternating curls through the back profile leading into your ponytails. To add more fullness or thickness through that top area, you can go in and add a 1/2 of a donut for that extra lift. Otherwise, you can leave it natural. curl entire fringe with your curling iron. Set your curl with a clip to let it cool before you take it down. Split your section into two, spraying powder perlé at the root area and tease for extra lift around that fringe. Repeat on the opposite side. Lock in your fringe with spray and play. Take a small section of your ponytail at the top and wrap it around the base of your ponytail to hide that clear elastic and secure with a bobby pin. Finish your style with Big Sexy Hair Weatherproof. Going into style number 2, split bottom section vertically in half. Starting with the section right back bottom, direct the hair up and under the bottom ponytail. Secure that with the top ponytail. Take the left bottom section, cross it under your bottom ponytail and secure it with the top ponytail with an elastic. Tighten your ponytails. At this point, you should still have a top ponytail and a bottom ponytail. Grab your top ponytail from underneath. You're going to take a small section and wrap it around that top ponytail to hide that clear elastic and secure with a bobby pin. At this point, you are going to start manipulating and detailing your curls to smooth them out and to give that ponytail volume.